My name's Sophie. Today I'm going to be making banana muffins and talking about why the banana crop might be in trouble. Bananas are a popular and delicious food grown across the African, American, and Asian tropics. They're essential in ensuring global food security, especially in the developing world. The most abundant cultivar of banana is the Cavendish. A cultivar is just an assemblage of plants selected for their desirable characteristics that are maintained during propagation. For example, the desirable characteristic of the Cavendish banana is that it's delicious. Cavendish bananas are a triploid cultivar, which are sterile and reproduce through a process called parthenogenesis. Cavendish banana makes up over 50% of all bananas consumed worldwide, especially in commercial banana production. As the Cavendish are sterile, farmers propagate the crop by cutting a piece of the stem of an existing plant and planting it again. The result is that all Cavendish bananas are clones, that is, genetically identical. Because they are all genetically the same, they are particularly vulnerable to disease, since there is no mutation or genetic variation. In other words, if the crop is vulnerable to a particular pathogen, the entire cultivar may be doomed. We've actually seen a very similar situation with lack of genetic diversity in our prominent banana crops. In the 1950s, the Panama disease wiped out basically the entire prominent banana cultivar at the time, called the Gros Michel. That's why banana candies today don't really taste like how the bananas that we eat taste, because we've shifted from the Gros Michel, which is now extinct, to the Cavendish, which is the prominent cultivar that we eat today. Today, our banana crops and the banana industry as a whole is once again at risk. While the Cavendish cultivar used to be immune to this Panama disease, the pathogen has evolved and now can target Cavendish. Furthermore, there is a new disease targeting bananas, the black sigatoka disease, which takes root in the soil and infects the entire field of bananas. Climate change, this black sigatoka disease of the banana has increased by 44.2%. because global warming has made regions more conducive to this disease, thus plaguing huge amounts of banana crops. Threats to banana production, that is the black sigatoka disease and the Panama disease, could end up being extremely significant because the lack of genetic diversity has meant a huge amount of vulnerability for our global production of banana. The difficulty of the genetics and the sterility of cultivated banana crops has meant that the development of newer varieties through hybridization, mutation, and transformation have been largely unsuccessful, at least until a couple of years. Approaches to address these concerns today are rapidly advancing, and scientists are hoping to produce a genetically modified banana crop that is resistant to these pathogens, which could help maintain bananas' importance as a staple food, especially in the developing world, where food security can be increasingly difficult as we face huge amounts of population growth and why the banana crop is in trouble just reinforces the importance of genetic diversity in our crops. If you like banana or banana muffins, thank the scientists who are working hard to come up with solutions to our problems.